This 2022 Highland Ridge Mesa Ridge S-Lite 242RL is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Gambrills, Maryland, 21054 and is offered for sale by Chesaco RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Highland Ridge is 29 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 5, Slideout, and 45 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front bedroom. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.